Hey there, Bobby, 2 epic EVs. I get a lot of questions about charging my Tesla with a Rivian charger, or like, which one should you use, or which one should you not use? I honestly think you can use both. Let me tell you what I do. I have a Rivian charger, mobile charger, always hooked up right here. And I got the little, see, I'm co-mingling here. I got the Tesla hook there. And then I always keep the Tesla mobile charger actually in the Rivian, just in case. So, and then let me show you kind of what this is also. Okay, we're back. So, I now have the extension cord right here. I have the Rivian charger set up here. Tesla. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in. Okay? Then we're gonna take the other end of the extension cord. We're gonna plug it into the Rivian charger, mobile charger. Okay, we're gonna go out to the Tesla. A lot of you have asked how I charge 2 EVs off a 50 amp charger. This is how. So, we'll always be charging. Gotta open this thing. Let's open it with the app. It doesn't know we're here. Oh my gosh. There it is. Oh, important part. Forgot the plug. Of course. Of course. We also got to give a good shout out to Preston. He's our 10-year-old editor, and now he's running the camera for me. All right, Preston. We want to show him little J1772 plug. All right. You go into the Rivian charger. How about we flip it over? Nope. Yeah.
Yeah, that way.
That way. Okay. And then we wait for the green. Good to go. Okay, we transition into the Tesla. Now I want to show you, we're hooked up via extension cord, Rivian charger, J1772 adapter, off a 50 amp NEMA 1450 plug. Let me show you. 8 kilowatts. Perfect. We have no draw. When I'm hooked up without the extension cord, I am still 8 kilowatts. Now I'm running a 15-foot extension cord, but it's super thick. I don't remember the gauge, I'm sorry. But obviously you can see it's much thicker than the other Rivian cord. So that's what we got. Hopefully that helps you to show you what we are doing here to charge 2 epic EVs. Peace out.